Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make money online, okay, using your smartphone. You don't need any experience about that. You just have to follow this step I'm going to show you, okay? Then you'll be able to make money online with your phone. What you just need to do is to go to your Chrome or any browser you want to use. Click on the search button and search for ref.com, okay? Search for ref.com, wait for it, and it's gonna open. Okay, so this is the website. It says create stories faster by transcribing speech to text. Okay, so you can create story, you can translate some written words. You can see this one here. We have audio and video transcription, $150 and 1.50 cents per minutes. So we have 5 to 12 dollar per minute. So you just have, if you want to be a freelancer so that people can also order from you, just have to scroll down and click on become a freelancer. Okay, so here is the, okay, in my country, that's as a Nigerian, you won't be able to access this platform. Okay, this platform is only allowed for those outside Nigerians. Okay, you know, now if you live in Niger, you really know what I'm talking about. You can see here we are not currently accepting applications from your location, so which is I'm in Nigeria. So if you really want to know how to access this platform as a Nigerian, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button so that you'll be notified when I drop the video. And if you're not a Nigerian and you're really watching this video, it's gonna show you how to sign up. Okay, how to sign up, fill in your information, and you'll be able to translate any audio you want to, okay, in written, just by typing. You're gonna earn some cash. As a Nigerian, don't forget, you need to click on the subscribe button, okay, so that you're gonna show you watch my next video on how to access this platform, okay, as a Nigerian, because I've earned from it. That's why I'm about to show you guys, or let me say, I've already shown you guys the platform. Is just to access the platform now. Okay, so click on the subscribe button, okay, so that you'll be notified when I post the new video. Even though you are not a Nigerian, you really need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will keep you updated on latest platform that's gonna earn some cash.